Guy Norbert here, energy engineer, and today explaining in video number 30A how to decide on your own PV roof system. Last week I started to make video in couples, the introduction on Wednesday, and on Saturday go more in detail. Why should you see this video? And even until the end. There are so many videos on PV systems. First, because it is very short. Second, because I put PV in a broader context of do-it-yourself. So you might try to do not everything with solar electricity. And in this way, keep the size down and save on the investment. And third, I have subtitles in 7 languages. And I don't think there are many videos that have such a broad linguistic coverage. And the subtitles are not automatic. I review them in all the languages myself. Please hit the subscribe button in order to participate in 360 degrees innovation in your home with do-it-yourself. Let's start the energy transition from the bottom. Yes, that's us, including you. Now start with the question to yourself. Why do you want to have PV on your roof and not some other kind of energy? There are many ways to produce electricity. Moreover, not all energy is electric. Warm water is usually better to produce with a solar collector with a higher efficiency than PV. Also, chemical energy from wood or biogas is a good alternative to electricity for heating our home or our food. In short, you can take away pieces of the electricity pie and cover that in other ways, also with energy efficiency, so that not only your investment in PV system is reduced, but you have also more diversification. That gives safety. An important way to decrease the PV investment is to start with energy efficiency. Rational use of your produced energy will decrease the demand and will also decrease the investment on your PV system.
So what will you discuss in the video of Saturday?
I will tell how to make the right upfront decisions for the PV system so that it will not be bigger than it needs to be. That will help you to save money on the investment. I invite you to think about the questions I gave you in this video. Look to your energy bill, how much you consume and what can be reduced. Then the video of next Saturday will make more sense. Please like and share the video, subscribe to the channel and ensure your connection to always innovative and useful information about the energy transition that is in your own hands. I wish you good energy.